Hi and welcome to this amazing section that we are going to learn about RecyclerView and card views. In this video, we are going to implement our first Recycler Viewer. While thinking of using RecyclerView, you might ask yourself, why should I stop using List View and Grid View and start using RecyclerView? Well, first of all, RecyclerView is very fast to load the items. Recycler views have view holders to handle processes of items added. Each time a new item is added to the recycler view, the view holder adds a row to the recycler view. While using the list view, every time we decide to add one item to the list, the whole list of the items get recreated. A typical use case of recyclers is apps similar to WhatsApp. Starting with the project, we had a simple toolbar. We must add the RecyclerView library and let it sync. As it was time-consuming, I have added this before. Okay, everything is pretty clear and cool, so as the first step, I want to add RecyclerView tag to the XML file. We have to add it from Support V7 widget, and I'll set its width and height as match parent, because I want it to fill the whole layout. And of course, it needs an ID. Okay, let's see how it looks like from the preview. As you see, the toolbar and RecyclerView are not matching the window size, so what we are going to do is to change the layout to relative and set the toolbar above the RecyclerView. So as the first step, I will change this constraint layout to relative layout. Then here I just need to define the layout above. Perfect, we got it. Okay, now we want to make a relevant layout for our RecyclerView items. It's just like creating any other layout resource file. I'll name it as rec item, and I want it to be a linear layout. Okay, I want to change the orientation of my layout. And also, I would like to change the height to wrap content. This is the height of each item of our list. And the width is okay because we want it to fill the whole width of the view. Let's make this RecyclerView to look like something like WhatsApp. What we need is an image, 2 text views, and I think this is good for now. Alright, we need 1 image view and 2 text views for now, so we start with adding the image view. From the diamond folder, I specify a fixed size for my images, then define the ID, scale type, source, and also the padding. So for now, I would love to add this diamond, which I have defined before, and I'm sure you know how to add diamonds from section 2, so I'm not going to cover that again. And an ID. The scale type is center crop. I want it to have a small padding, which is about 8 dp. And the source, that it can be anything, okay? So here we have our image view. As we have seen in the previous image, I want 2 text views and I want them to be shown one above the other. So I need a linear layout. The orientation has to be vertical. Then inside this linear layout, I will define two text views. And a text that talks about the username. I gave it in a style of being bold because we assume that this is the username. Then there is this text view for brief messages and some simple text. Okay, alright. Now we are done with the RecyclerView layout. You can see it here.